God! I can't thank you enough.
Hey folks, today I'm diving into one of the most exclusive supercars ever made, the Bugatti Centodieci. Unveiled in 2019 at Monterey Car Week, this beast was created to celebrate Bugatti's 110th anniversary and pay homage to the legendary EB110 supercar from the 90s. Only 10 examples were produced, making it a rare gem in the automotive world. So what makes the Centodieci so special? Underneath its sleek exterior, it uses the Chiron's powerful framework, but it's anything but basic. The carbon fiber monocoque and subframe support Bugatti's iconic 8-liter W16 engine. This powerhouse churns out an incredible 1577 bhp, blasting from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds and topping out at 235 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The Centodieci's design is a standout. Unlike Bugatti's typically curvaceous aesthetics, this supercar draws inspiration from the blockier design of the EB110. The wraparound windscreen, streamlined headlights, and compact horseshoe grille create a bold, distinctive look. The 5 air intakes behind the rear quarter windows are a direct homage to the EB110 Supersport. This blend of modern engineering and nostalgic design makes the Centodieci a work of art. Now let's talk about this particular Centodieci. Delivered in 2022, this EU-supplied model has only one previous owner and just over 5,000 kilometers on the odometer. It stands out with its EB110 Argent exterior and black and Italian red leather interior. Plus, it's the only Centodieci to feature the original EB110 logo on its side, a true collector's dream. For car enthusiasts and collectors, owning a Centodieci is about more than just having a fast car. It's about possessing a piece of automotive history, a testament to Bugatti's engineering prowess and design philosophy. If you're interested in acquiring this masterpiece, don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible car content. See you next time.